I'm strong, I'm brave, because that's what you say. You're strong, you're brave, in Jesus' name. I'm strong, I'm brave, in Jesus' name. You're strong, you're brave, that's what I say. Do not be discouraged. Don't lose heart. Don't be afraid. I'm with you. You don't have to fear. In Jesus' name.